guys, it's Katie with Kansas Hydrographics. We are here to show you brown speckle camo. This is a 50 centimeter camo pattern. Ooh, it likes to expand. It is brown, tan, and transparent. Any neutral color base coat would work just fine. Depends on the look you're going for. I mean, it's personal preference. I probably wouldn't go with the white base coat if I was actually applying it to something. But for demonstration purposes, we're going to dip to a white speed shake. We are doing a 1 minute soak time. This is in our mini tank. We're trying to get a whole bunch of videos done for the winter here in Kansas because it can get pretty brutally cold. We do not do these videos for fun. I've said it before. We do these for you, so you know what you're buying before you buy it. There's no better way for us to guarantee that it's going to work for you than for us to actually try it ourselves anyway. Yeah, there's some more green goo on this one too, just residue from the last dip. That'll wash off, but that is brown speckle camo. Again, personal preference, I would not dip that to a white base coat. It would look great with like a biscuit or dark tan. We have several DTP neutral colors to choose from, so anywho, that will be in the camo section, and of course it's at KansasHydrographics.com. Thank you guys. We'll see you next time.